Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Gold retreated as prices consolidated after hitting a record high, while safe haven demand ahead of the US presidential election helped the precious metal log its fourth straight monthly gain. Major US stock indexes closed lower after Microsoft and Meta platforms highlighted growing artificial intelligence costs that could hit their earnings, curbing enthusiasm for megacaps that have fueled the market rally this year. Cryptocurrency exchange Crypto.com has announced the acquisition of Watchdog Capital, a broker-dealer registered with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. The move will allow the exchange's subsidiary in the country to offer stocks and equity options to eligible traders. The euro-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair dove 2.6% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The pound dollar pair dropped 0.5% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The CCI indicates an oversold market. The US non-farm payrolls will be released at 12:30 GMT. The Dutch retail sales at 5:30 GMT. The US average hourly earnings at 12:30 GMT. The Dutch market manufacturing PMI will be released at 6 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 19:30 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 19:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.